Hey, welcome to my channel, Unbiased LLC. Today, I just wanted to bring to you the final finish of this fabric basket. So, I am just sewing and sewing and sewing in a circle and winding up the fabric and winding up the fabric and sewing and sewing and sewing some more. So, with this project, it took me approximately 4 days. However, I did not do it continuously for 4 days. So if you start to finish this project, you could probably get this done within a day if you take your time and do it. So I just wanted to show you guys just a little bit of this process. Right here, you see the basket is starting to shape, it's starting to form, and I'm just going in a zigzag motion with my sewing machine and sewing in a circle. So right here, I just wanted to show you that your girl was actually doing the sewing. Okay. Okay. So I just keep sewing and sewing and sewing and sewing in a circle. Right here, I'm just showing you how I was wrapping the fabric and what you have to do in between each sew. And this takes a little bit of time, but once you get a good bit going, then you can get back to the sewing machine and continue to sew and sew and sew and wrap and wrap and wrap and sew. And so right here you see the basket is almost completed. I am reaching the top of my sewing machine, and that's how I gauged how big or how small I wanted the basket to be. And right here I'm just showing you how I was trying to finish off the edge. So I just made a little handle, a little hook where you can pick the basket up. And right here I'll just sew it down with the zigzag stitch. Everything was done with the zigzag stitch on this basket. And in a minute, we will see the completed finished product. I just stuffed this basket with a few items that I had on hand. So you guys will see that in just a second. And yay to me and everybody else that's been watching for this basket. It is finally finally, okay, complete. And don't forget that I did do that embroidery stitch in the middle of the basket. That's what I'm showing you now. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So you can put whatever you want in this basket. And it is built to last. Okay. So thank you guys for watching, and come back.